Let's take a look at the multiplication questions now. The first 13 questions are non-calculator. So first of all, 8 times 102. So we are going to need a multiplication method, a written method of 102 times 8, since we can't use a calculator. 8 times 2, then 8 times 0, then 8 times 1. 8 2s are 16, 6 carry the 1. 8 times 0 is 0, plus the 1 is 1, and 1 times 8 is 8. So the answer is 816. 197 multiplied by 7, a bit harder. No one likes the 7 times table. 7 9s are 63, 3 carry the 6, 7 7s are 49, plus 6 is 55, so that is 5 carry 5, and 1 7 is 7, plus 5 is 12, so the answer is 1253. 20 times 74, what we can do here, probably a bit easier, is just do 74 times 2 instead of 20, and then just stick a 0 onto the end answer. So 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, so if 2 times 74 is 148, then 20 times 74 is 1480. I think that's much easier. 52 times 69, both of these numbers have 2 digits, so it doesn't matter which one goes on the top, which one goes on the bottom. So we're going to start with a 9. 9 times 2 is 18, 8 carry the 1, 5 9s are 45, plus 1 is 46. The 6 is the 6 of 60, so we need to put in a 0. 6 times 2 is 12, so 2 carry 1. 6 5s are 30, plus 1 is 31, and if we add these together, that is 8853. So the final answer is 3588. 206 times 13, I'll just do over here to use the space a bit better. Again, starting with a 3, 3 6s are 18, carry 1, 3 0s are 0, plus the 1 is 1, 3 2s are 6. This is the 1 of 10, put in a 0. 1 times 6 is 6, 1 0 is 0, and 1 2 is 2. Add these together, 8762. So the answer is 2678. 255 times 26. When we've got a 3-digit and a 2-digit number, I'd always recommend, well, I'd urge you to put the 2-digit number underneath. Starting with a 6, 6 5s are 30, 0 carry 3, 6 5s are still 30, plus the 3 is 33, so 3 carry 3, 2 6s are 12, plus 3 is 15. Moving on to the 2, which is the 2 of 20, so put in a 0. Let's not get distracted by these 3s, I've written them a little bit on the large side there. 2 5s are 10, so that's 0, carry 1. 2 5s are 10, plus 1 is 11, 1 carry 1. 2 2s are 4, plus the 1 is 5. Add these together, 0366, so the answer is 6630. And finally, 497 multiplied by 43. Again, 3-digit number on the top, 2-digit number on the bottom. 3 7s are 21, 1 carry the 2. 3 9s are 27, 28 29, carry the 2. 4 3s are 12, plus 2 is 14. Moving on to the 4, it's the 4 of 40, so put in a 0. 4 7s are 28, 8 carry 2. 4 9s are 36, 37 38. 4 4s are 16, plus the 3 is 19. Add these together, 1, 9 plus 8 is 17, carry the 1. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus the 1 is 13. 9 plus 1 plus 1 is 11, 1 plus 1 is 2. So here the answer is 21,371. Question number 8, 349 times 68. We'll have the 3-digit number on the top and the 2-digit number underneath. Some nasty times tables going on here. 8 9s are 72, 2 carry 7. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 7 is 39, so that's 9 carry 3. 3 8s, 8 16, 24, plus 3 is 27. Put in a 0 because this is the 6 of 60. 6 9s are 54, carry the 5. 6 4s are 24, plus 5 is 29. 3 6s are 18, 19, 20. Add them up. 2, 13, carry 1, 7, 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 7 is 17, carry 1, 3, 2. So here the answer is 23,732. 54 times 512 is the same as 512 multiplied by 54. Always have the smaller, well, the number with fewer digits underneath when you're doing long multiplication. Start with the 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Put in a 0 because this is the 5 of 50. 5 2s are 10, carry the 1. 1 5 is 5, plus 1 is 6, 5 5s are 25. Add them together, 84672. So the answer is 27,648. Question number 10, 427 multiplied by 71. Again, the 3-digit number on top, the 2-digit number underneath. Starting with the 1, well, this is easy. 1 7 is 7, 1 2 is 2, 1 4 is 4. So we're just copying that number basically. The 7 here is the 7 of 70. Don't forget to put in a 0. 7 7 to 49, 9 carry 4. 2 7 to 14, plus 4 is 18, 8 carry 1, 4 7 to 28, plus 1 is 29. Add these together, 7, 11, 1 carry 1, 12, 13 carry 1, 10, 0 carry 1, and 3. So that is 30,317. And question number 11, 30 times 599. Well, I'm going to turn that around to 599 times 30. But actually, what I'm going to do here is slightly different. I'm just going to do 599 times 3 and then just add a 0 to my final answer. 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27, 28, 29. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. So if 599 times 3 is 1,797, then 599 times 30 is simply 17,970. Question number 12, 989 multiplied by 79. So this is pretty nasty because we've got the times tables that we really don't like. So 3 digits on top, 2 digits underneath. 9 9s are 81, 1 carry 8. 9 times 8 is 72, plus 8 is 80, 0 carry 8. 9 9s are 81, 81 plus 8 is 89. Put in a 0 because this is the 7 of 70. 7 times 9 is 63, so that's a 3, carry the 6. 7 times 8 is 56. 56 plus 6 is 62, so 2 carry 6. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 6 is 69. Add these together. 1, 3, 11, carry the 1. 10, 18, carry the 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, so the answer is 78,131. And question 13, what does this even mean? 653 with a little 2, that is 653 squared, or 653 to the power of 2. That's all very well, but do you know that that means it's 653 multiplied by 653? So here we've got a triple digit number multiplied by another triple digit number. So instead of having 2 lines of working out, we're going to have 3 lines of working out, which we'll then have to add up at the end. So 653 and 653. So we're going to start with the 3 here. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, carry the 1. 3 6s are 18, plus 1 is 19. Moving on to the 5, it's the 5 of 50, so put in a 0. 5 3s are 15, carry the 1. 5 5s are 25, plus 1, 26. 5 6s are 30, plus 2, 32. Moving on to the 6, now this is the 6 of 600, so we're going to put in 2 zeros. Now it's the same procedure, 6 times 3, 18, carry 1. 6 5s are 30, plus the 1 is 31, carry the 3. 6 6s are 36, plus the 3 is 39. Now we just need to add up the 3 lines of working out, so it's going to be 9, 10, 0 carry 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, 18 plus 6 is 24, carry the 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 3 plus 9 is 12, carry the 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. So there's our answer, 426,409. Luckily, we're now moving on to calculator questions. So the calculation here is simply 124 times 6. So type that into your calculator, hit the equal sign, you'll get 744. This question is simply 1230 multiplied by 253. So on the calculator, you'll type in 2.53, hit the equal sign, and you'll get 3111.9. And hopefully you can appreciate that that's should be 90 for our pounds and pence. This question is simply 342 times 52, hit equals, you will get 17784. And on this question, it's simply 64 times 55 times 5, hit equals. I mean, you can type in 64 times 55 equals, and then type that answer back in, times it by 5, but you can just do it in one hit. 64 times 55 times 5 comes to 17600. Question number 18, we're not allowed to use a calculator here, but we're only multiplying by a unit of 10 here. 12.2 times 10, when there's a decimal point and you're multiplying by 10, you're going to move the decimal point 1 position to the right. Now, this might not be very obvious here because when you move the decimal point 1 position to the right, it's just going to sit after the 2. So maybe you want to add a 0 because 12.2 is the same as 12.20, and now you can see that the decimal point will sit between the 2 and the 0, giving us 122.0. And hopefully you can appreciate that 122.0 is exactly the same as 122. The 0.0 is not really doing anything at all. 43.6 times 100, multiplying by 100 means we're going to move the decimal point 2 positions to the right. So I'm going to write 43.6 and just chuck on a couple of zeros at the end. Doesn't matter how many. And now we're going to move it 2 positions to the right. So 1, 2. So the answer is going to be 4360.00. And again, 0.00 adds nothing to the number, so it's just 4360. 18C is a lot easier because we've got a whole number and we're multiplying by 1000. So just stick 3 zeros on the end and you're done, 42,000. D, bit harder, 1.344. Again, we might want to add some zeros so that we can see where the decimal point goes, so we can see that it sits between 2 digits. So this number is 10,000, which is 4 zeros. So we're going to move the decimal point 4 position. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is going to be 13440.000, but we don't need the 0.000. We can just get rid of that. So the answer is 13,440. Question number 19. 4 squared, that means 4 times 4, which is 16. 7 squared means 7 times 7, which is 49. 12 squared means 12 times 12, which is 144. Or if you don't know your 12s very well, you're going to have to use long multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Move on to the 1. This is the 1 of 10, so put in a 0. 1 2 is 2, 1 1 is 1. Add these together, 4 4 1. 15 squared, that is 15 times 15. Now, I wouldn't expect you to know your 15 times table, so we'll use long multiplication. 5 5s are 25, carry the 2. 1 5 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Move on to the 1. This is the 1 of 10, so put in a 0. 1 5 is 5, 1 1 is 1. Add them together, 5, 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, so the answer is 225.